Hey, what's up LEGO lovers? Today we're building LEGO City Gaming Tournament Truck, set 60388. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed the video this far. Please give a like, subscribe, or comment. Here I am showing the minifigures be put into the gaming chair consoles there. As you can see, the cool sticker detail up top. And if you go down here, you can get a little bit of video game action play. I know you can barely see it. I apologize about that, but you move the levers in the back and it gets these action figures going here on the screen. If you look here in the front, there's this gaming trophy. It's pretty cool. It has a gaming controller and this minifigure with his microphone. Love the microphone. That's probably my favorite thing about the set. This minifigure as well. Oh, oops. This one has a cell phone. I'm not too clear on what the cell phone is for. Probably to live stream the gaming event via Twitch, maybe. These right here, these minifigures can fold in. I don't think they're supposed to fold in with the minifigure inside. Here is where the gaming trophy goes. A cool little cubby. Not so sure if it needed all that space, but there it is. As I turn the trailer to the back side, we do see some cool features here. The player's superpowers, I would say. We have the Hulk hands, I like to call them, and also the sword here. In the back as well, I can enter this secret code and it will close the doors. Well, that pretty much sums up the LEGO gaming truck. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.